Did you know there's a special trick that can really boost your earnings? Well, today I've got one for you. Stick around till the end to find out how it can totally change your income game. Don't miss out on this chance to make more money with Google Books. Let's jump right in and see how you can make the most of your online earnings. 1. Go to Google. Open your web browser and type google.com in the address bar. Press enter to load the Google homepage. 2. Search for Partner Center. On the Google homepage, you'll see a search bar. Click on it, type Partner Center, and then press enter. This will take you to a list of search results related to partner centers. 3. Find Google Playbooks Partner Center. Scroll through the search results until you find Google Playbooks Partner Center. It might be a bit down the list, so keep an eye out for it. Once you see it, click on it to open the page. 4. Understanding Google Playbooks. Partner Center. This is where you'll be setting up your account to publish books on Google Playbooks. It's like a hub for authors and publishers to upload and manage their books for sale on the platform. Now, let's break down a simple and effective business model for making money online using Google and AI. Google will serve as the distributor for the books you create. Once your book is uploaded to Google Playbooks, it becomes available to Google's extensive user base worldwide, which consists of billions of people. This broad reach enhances the chances of your book being discovered and purchased by users globally. An important aspect of this model is the use of artificial intelligence, AI, for generating book content. Instead of writing the books manually, you'll utilize AI technology to handle this task. This eliminates the need for prior writing experience or specialized skills. The AI will create content based on the topic you select, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business while the AI handles the writing process. Now, here are some special tricks for you. First, go to Google Trends, a place where you can see what topics are popular right now. It helps you find out what many people are searching for online. Next, pick a topic that's trending when you're on Google Trends. For example, if ChatGPT is trending, it means many people are interested in it. Lastly, tell the AI to write a book about the topic you chose. You can give the AI instructions, like how long the book should be and what you want it to talk about. This way, the AI can make a book that suits your preferences without you having to write it yourself. Got that? Alright, here's how to harness the power of ChatGPT to create your book effortlessly. Visit chatopenai.com, where you can find the ChatGPT platform. Next, once you're on the ChatGPT platform, look for the Export GPTs option and click on it. This feature lets you use GPT's capabilities for different tasks. Then, within the Export GPTs section, choose Write for Me. This tells the AI to help you create written content for your task. Finally, instruct the AI to generate your book. Give clear directions, like write me a 15-page ebook on how to use ChatGPT. You can also specify the ebook's length and any specific topics you want the AI to include. Once the AI has provided an outline of the book based on your requested topic, it's time to move forward with the writing process. First, carefully review the outline provided by the AI, as it serves as the foundation for your book's structure. Next, expand upon each section of the outline using the AI's guidance, incorporating its suggestions to enrich the content. Then, follow the AI's advice throughout the writing process, integrating its insights to enhance clarity and engagement. As the fourth step, ensure that you stay true to the topic of your book, maintaining focus on the subject matter outlined in your initial request. Lastly, after completing the writing process, dedicate time to edit and refine your work, addressing any errors, and polishing the content to ensure it is polished and professional before publication. Once the content is generated, it's time to polish it up and prepare it for publication. Review and edit. Start by looking over the content created by the AI. Check for any mistakes or parts that don't make sense. Fix them to make sure your book is clear and easy to understand. Use editing tools. You can use tools like SDA.com to make your book even better. These tools help with things like fixing mistakes and making the book look nice. Upload your book to SDA.com to make it the best it can be. Add transparency statements. If you want, you can tell your readers that AI helped make your book. This shows them that you're being honest about how the book was made. You can say this at the beginning or end of your book. Format your book. Make sure your book looks good and is easy to read. Use things like titles, bullet points, and pictures to organize the information. This makes it easier for people to understand. Proofread. Before you finish, go through your book one more time to catch any mistakes. Read it carefully to make sure everything is correct and looks nice. Here's how to publish your book on Google Play Books. Access Google Play Books. Partner Center. Visit the Google Play Books Partner Center website. Sign up as a self-published author. Create an account and sign up as a self-published author. This option allows you to upload and manage your own books on Google Play Books. Create a payment profile. Once you've signed up, create a payment profile to receive your earnings. This involves providing details such as your payment method and banking information. When publishing on Google Play Books, it's important to understand the revenue structure. Google's commission. Google takes a 30% commission on book sales. This means that for every sale made through Google Play Books, Google retains 30% of the revenue. Authors' revenue split. Authors receive a 70% revenue split from book sales. This means that authors earn 70% of the revenue generated from each sale, while Google keeps the remaining 30%. Upload multiple books. To maximize potential earnings, consider uploading multiple books across various topics. By diversifying your catalog, you increase the chances of attracting a wider audience and generating more sales. To boost book sales and attract more readers, consider the following promotion strategies. Social media promotion. Utilize social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn to promote your books. Share engaging content, teasers, and updates about your books to pique interest and attract readers. You can also run targeted ads to reach specific audiences interested in your book's topic. Quality content. Focus on creating high-quality content that provides value to your readers. Quality content increases the likelihood of repeat purchases and positive reviews, which can help boost your book's visibility and reputation. Ensure that your books are well-written, informative, and engaging to keep readers coming back for more. This guide shows how you can make money online without spending much. You use Google and AI to make and sell books to people all over the world. It's a simple way to earn money without doing much work. With Google's help, your books can reach lots of people, and AI can write them for you. This makes it easy for anyone to start making money online, even if you're not an expert. So, if you're looking for a way to earn money from home, this method could be just what you need. Now, it's your turn to take action. Are you ready to explore the possibilities of making money using Google and AI? Have you considered leveraging these tools to create your own passive income stream? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Remember, the journey to financial freedom begins with a single step. Stay tuned to Profitability Plus for more tips and strategies to maximize your earnings potential. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Let's team up for more money and success.